All right, question number 12. In the standard xy coordinate plane, the point 2, 1 is the midpoint of CD. Point C has coordinates 6, 8. What are the coordinates of D? All right, so I'm going to kind of sketch out a coordinate plane, right? So my point C is at 6, 8. So over 6 up 8 would be roughly somewhere in here, right? So this is my point C. This is point C. And this has the coordinates 6, 8. Now it tells me that the midpoint is at 2, 1. So I'm going to again estimate. Here's my midpoint. And this is at 2, 1. So then obviously my other point has to be somewhere down here, right? The coordinates has to be somewhere down here because we're imagining that we have a line and this is the midpoint. This is the middle. So that my other one has to be here. Now if I look at that, this is negative and negative, right? If you're looking at the coordinates, so I would have to do negative x, and in order to go down, it would be a negative. So I automatically can cross out these two that are positive. These three that are positive. So now I honestly have a 50-50 shot of getting this question correct, even if I just guess, okay? But let me show you how I would do this. So I need to know how many I go down and how many I go left to get from C to my midpoint. So if I go down, I'm going from, 8 to 1. So I went down 7. And then if I'm moving to the left, we started at 6 and we're ending at 2. So I went left 4. So then from this midpoint, I'm going to have to go down 7 and I'm going to have to go left 4. All right. So if I'm at 2, 1, and I'm going down 7, so I'm going to put a -7 underneath my y coordinate because remember y is going up and down and x is going left and right. So then my x coordinate, I went left -4. So 1 minus 7 is going to give me -8. And then 2 minus 4 gives me -2. 1 minus 7 is not, I was thinking -1. I apologize. Sorry. This is -6. All right. So 1 minus 7, 1 minus 7 is -6. 2 minus 4 is -2. So my coordinate point is -2, -6, which is G.